Did a little bit of welding on the back deck. Finally fixed the flagpole there. Had to also come along to the backside here and do the work. Finally, the stair rail above it and below it was rusty. And then we had a bad spot there, and then this whole section here, which is a little clearer to see if you pop out here. That whole lower section was rusted out, and then that entire section over there was rusted out. But those are and that was the other spot that was rusted up underneath there. But once those are done, that's going to be it for the back deck, hopefully. So here I am installing the first plate on the back side of the boat. Let you watch that and the painting we're about to do. But one of the things that happened, you see the part that I had cut out on the right side of the screen there. Well, when I was cutting that, the hot embers went through the porthole there, and in the master bedroom about 6 feet in was a trash can that had a few pig blankets in it that had diesel fuel in them, and 2,000 degree steel embers will light diesel on fire very well. While I was still doing my plasma cutting, I noticed flames through the window, and it was like, why is there fire in there? And so I put all the welding gear down, or the plasma gear, went in, and that fire was fully engulfed in the trash can. And my first thought was, I got to get this off the boat. I grabbed the trash can by its handles and started to move it. Well, there was enough weight in the trash can that the plastic just started stretching. So I grabbed it lower down and then attempted to get it out the door. So some of the stuff fell onto the doorway as I was going out, and then fell onto the fan and the floor. I now need to get it out because you can see the ladder burnt here on the side and other smoldering pieces still. I went and got water turned on, and you can see this is the mess that was left. That black mass right in the center is the trash can. The ironic thing, when I went back in and was looking at the damage in the boat, which was just a smoked beam there, just to the right of where the trash can had been a fire extinguisher. If I had just reached over and picked it up, the excitement could have been averted. Anyway, later.